Okay, today we are making coconut cream pie. Let's get some music up in here. Okay, so, in this family, I'm famous for my pie crust. How do I do it? Well, here's my secret. I keep everything ridiculously cold. Butter in the freezer. I will get my butter that's been cut into cubes and put in the freezer. I'll get everything else and I'm going to put it in the following, this food processor. Oh crap, the kitchen's messy. Okay, time to cube my butter. Oh crap, it's time I put it on the counter for too long. Well, I guess I'll just have to put it in the freezer for a long time now. Probably gonna time lapse this, probably. I will. I don't have an authorized account, so I have to be all 15 minutes maximum situation. I almost died. I wish I was a fan Casio. Perfect. Pretty sure a lot of people tell themselves that. I guess Casio was just like an angel sent down from God or something. Okay, this goes into the okay, just skip it. So, since measuring cups are for chumps, and that is a fact, we're going to use this electric scale to get 95 grams of Crisco. No, not ounces. Grams, you idiot. No. Yes. There we go. 95. Hey, I love this part. I was trying to say didn't know first, but no. So, this guy's on. Kind of trying to situation else that I am about this. Just kidding. So, I don't care if I don't and this seems to be cold too, so I'm going to put that in there. Now I gotta measure out my thing, my flour. Okay, that's spilled over. Come back in here. Okay, no matter what anyone tells you, use a food processor. Don't use your hands, it's too hard. Alright, now, time to get this ready. Let's get some dry ingredients. So now, separate some eggs with me, shall we? Okay. I can make a Bob Ross tutorial out of it, separating eggs. So to master the art of egg cracking, you must be very gentle. Yay. Or else we might crack the skull like that. Yay. Nah, this is not working out for me. Okay, well there's our egg white. Wow, that's actually really easy. And how does Bob Ross do that? It's so hard. They just couldn't think of anything. Right there. That was me not being able to think of anything. Fudge, you know what? Okay, there's my dry ingredients, and now I shall turn the heat on to something. Medium heat. Okay, medium heat. There we go. Move, camera. I need to go over there. Alright. Right. Slowly pouring. This is awkward. This is supposed to thicken. That's gonna take a while. I actually feel like getting heavier, actually. Just kidding. I'm just gonna do this until it gets thick. I want to scorch that milk. Alright. I feel like it's gonna be a while. Bye. Okay, so because of my special abilities of cracking, separating egg whites, we're going to have to use two more eggs than we originally planned. I guess, unfortunately, we're just going to have to discard the egg yolks, so we'll put those in that dirty container. I guess leave something in the, I don't know. I would say comments below, but comments are disabled. Ha ha. Oh yeah, by the way, the comment section is on a Google community rather than below because I don't want it to distract from the video. So, if you want to see that for some reason, if you're crazy enough to go to the YouTube comment section, you can go to the link in the description below and leave whatever you want to. Alright, that's cool. That one went way better than the ones last time. Can we just redo that except for earlier? Thanks. Okay. See, look. It's like an egg yolk. Nothing else. It's so pure and beautiful. So I'm back. What you missed is that I whipped these egg whites and put it in the oven. 2 minutes left. But before I do that, my crust is ready. Yay, crust. Why are there garbanzo beans on the crust, you may ask? Well, it's because I don't have pie weights. Alright, the time has come that I need to taste the custard. Probably should have done that earlier, but I guess, milk just does this thing. I'll use the dirty one for this. Because, you can't risk getting any fat into your, this. Right, so else it won't whip and it'll be, oh, well, it just disappeared, I guess. Why is it all thin? Ew, there's like a scrambled egg piece in here. This I shall throw away. That's disgusting. That is super grainy. But I'm guessing that's supposed to happen since kinda added shredded coconut. And you know what I'm gonna do? It's also a little thin, so I'm gonna get the big boy stick. I got so late, I decided to stop filming, but this is how it turns out. Yay. Looks like crap. It's burned. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Smash that like button like you're gonna break your computer. Yay. And subscribe.